Today we'll be understanding about Spark Workspace. Think of Spark Workspace as your team's coding laboratory inside Microsoft Fabric, where data engineers write PySpark or SQL code to explore and transform big data. It's like a smart kitchen where raw ingredients, that is the data, are cleansed, sliced and cooked using scalable Spark engines. You can run notebooks, schedule jobs and even connect to lakehouse or warehouse, all from this laboratory. And just like a well-managed kitchen, it tracks performance, errors and access to ensure everything runs smoothly and securely. I hope you got the concept for Spark Workspace. Let's meet in our next lecture where we'll be learning about Domain Workspace.